Welcome to my channel. Common Bluebird engine parts and how to maintain them. 1. Common part. Air filter, maintenance tip. Check it regularly and replace it when it looks dirty. A clean air filter keeps dust out and helps your engine breathe better. 2. Common part. Oil filter, maintenance tip. Swap it out at every oil change. A fresh filter keeps your oil clean and your engine parts safe from wear. 3. Common part. Fuel filter, maintenance tip. Replace it on schedule to avoid clogs. This keeps fuel flowing smoothly and prevents power loss. 4. Common part. Belts, maintenance tip. Inspect for cracks or wear. Change them before they snap, because a broken belt can shut you down fast. 5. Common part. Hoses, maintenance tip. Look for leaks, swelling, or cracks. Replacing worn hoses early saves you from overheating issues. 6. Common part. Radiator, maintenance tip. Flush it out regularly and keep coolant topped up. That way, your engine stays cool even on long runs. 7. Common part. Battery, maintenance tip. Check the terminals for corrosion and keep them clean. Test the charge so you're not caught with a dead battery. 8. Common part. Turbocharger, maintenance tip. Give it clean oil and proper warm-up time. That helps it last longer and keeps your engine running strong. 9. Common part. Glow plugs or spark plugs. Maintenance tip. Test them if your engine has hard starts. Replacing weak plugs improves ignition and fuel efficiency. 10. Common part. Exhaust system, maintenance tip. Inspect for leaks or rust. A healthy exhaust keeps emissions in check and your engine running efficiently. Thanks for watching.